Hi, this is the Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus and I'll show you how to hide apps on this device. So we could make it just by open the settings, then scroll down to the home screen and find here hide apps on home and app screens and just select the applications which you wanna hide by this way. Now you will find them here in hide and app section. Tap to done to save the changes. Also, we got one more way how we could do that. Just hold for a while home screen with your finger or with the Samsung palm. Tap to the settings. By the same way, click to hide apps on home and app screen. Select your applications, or just if you want to remove them from here, unselect them, or just click to this minus. Then just tap to done to save the changes. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.